dated purchased and planned for from PQR Limited on 15th July 2019
What
with
date of purchase?
15th July 2019.
July
2019.
2000.
with an estimated price of rupees 75,000. The
Estimated price of
75,000.
estimated price of plant, right?
Yes.
70.
5,000.
The supplier offers 3-month credit with a condition that discount of 1.5% will be given if the payment were made within 1 month.
See, at the time of purchase, what they are telling, they are ready to give discount if the payment is made within 1 month, right?
Yes, sir.
See, we are not sure. So discount is allowed at the time of purchase, right? So we are subtracting the discount amount when they are purchasing. At the time of purchase, they are subtracting discount. Now they are discounting, right? They are not giving any discount. Now they are not giving, right? Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
This is different from other question, huh?
Yes, sir.
That is different, this is different. So there we are directly subtracting. At the time of purchase they are giving discount, so they are subtracting the discount amount. Now after 1 month, right? At the time of purchase they are not giving any
Discount.
sure, huh?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? So we are not going to subtract the discount. Correct, right? I am not going to subtract because now they are not giving discount. After 1 month they are giving discount, right? If the payment is made full. Correct, huh? Not getting a no. Previous sum, that is different. Discount is allowed at the time of purchase. Here they are giving discount after 1 month. So at the time of purchase they are not giving any discount. So 3 months, whatever. 1 month, whatever. So at the time of purchase they are not giving any discount. So I am not going to subtract that discount amount. Sure, huh?
Yes, sir.
Next read, ma'am.
GST is charged on the estimated price.
GST, right? So I am calculating GST. What is cost rate of 80%? Huh?
No GST amount.
No GST. Huh? Usually plant should be 18%. I am writing 18%. So 18% of 75,000, right? How much of
13,500.
13?
5,500.
Next to
GST should include the Swachh Bharat cess and the Krish Kalyan cess.
whatever they are paying, that is included. GST paid only one time, right?
Yes, sir.
The company incurred
Company
2%,
incur
2% on transportation cost.
2% on
Transportation.
cost. Transportation cost based on estimate price of what they are telling.
Estimate.
The company incurred 2%.
2% what?
Transportation cost and 3% on estimated
2% off. 2% off. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Estimate cost 75,000.
1,500.
Next to
And 3% on establishment cost of the estimated price.
establishment cost 3%, right?
Yes, sir.
3% of 75,000.
2,250.
How much more?
2,250.
50, yeah?
250.
Next to
To finance the machinery purchase, the company took a loan of rupees 50,000 at an interest
50
rate of
don't write.
14.5% per annum.
So interest not to calculate, right?
Yes, sir.
Whatever I will tell you, you will agree, huh? Without hesitation. Huh? If I tell 2 plus 3, 100, you will accept. Without questioning only. Huh? In first class I said, whatever expenditure incur for one time, right? Correct, huh? Correct, Amma?
Yes, sir.
So we are writing all here one time only.
Yes, sir.
Interest we are paying what? One time, huh?
No, sir. Monthly.
So I am going to purchase 1/4. The cost is 10,000. I took from Rohini loan I have to pay regularly 1,000. I should add this, huh? So that is my personal interest, right? Personal interest don't add. So that is revenue expenditure, not capital expenditure. Correct, huh? Interest is what? We are writing profit loss account, right? So that is revenue expenditure. We are not paying regular. Sorry, we are paying regularly. Interest is paying what? Regularly. So don't add that. That is not capital expenditure. What the next one?
That's also.
This was only, huh? So what is total? Total 92,000. Yeah. This is what? Original land house. Outside, right? Of land. So you write capital expenditure how much, huh? 92,250. Revenue expenditure of what? That to loan, right? 75,000 into 14.5%, huh?
So the company takes a loan of 50,000.
50,000, huh? 50,000
Into 14.5%. 7,250.
interest, huh?
7,250.
So this is revenue, this is capital expenditure. Correct, huh?